Yo, what's up fam? Hope you're vibing today. If you're trying to level up your Roblox game without dropping any cash, you're in the right spot. In this vid, I'm about to show you how to get shaders in Roblox for free. And trust me, it's mad easy and fast, no crazy setup or confusing stuff. Before we dive in, quick heads up. Roblox devs have been shutting down sites that help people get free shaders recently, so the site I'm using in this video might go down soon. But for now, in 2026, it's still running smoothly, so don't stress. Also, I know some of y'all are worried about getting banned for using shaders. Don't even trip, I tested it on my own account, and it's 100% safe. No bans, no warnings, nothing. So let's get right into the tutorial. First, hit up the shader extension download site, then smash the download button and wait a sec. Once it's downloaded, open your browser extensions like Google Extensions, turn on developer mode, and drag the file in there. After that, head over to Roblox, pick the game you want to use shaders in. I'm using MM2, and open the extension. Lastly, click Enable Shaders, and boom, everything's working smooth, and now you're all set to play Roblox with shaders, no issues. That's all for the vid. Hope this helped you get those shaders in 2026 and made your Roblox game look way cleaner and more lit. If it worked for you, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment if you got questions or want more Roblox tips like this. Thanks for watching, stay safe, enjoy the shaders, and I'll catch you in the next one.